We'll see anything gloves. But you know we saw through that banana skin, so.
Banana phone. Speaking of phone.
Take Shears.
It's just like tapioca.
Zap Shears phone.
Okay, we'll get that It's like tapioca.
That's so gross.
No, it's delicious.
Tapioca's awful.
Tapioca's delicious.
It's pretty gross.
It's delicious.
It's just like makes the forest field around itself. Like,
Dude, that's like amazing. It's like
That's the tapioca.
little eyes.
No, they're like they're frog eyes.
It's like real eye.
Little
It's
eyes.
delicious.
came out.
We should go like Felix have one slice.
It's one wedge.
That's a bad idea.
Well, what we can do, we can always peel it afterwards too, you know.
Look in the folders and you'll see like 40 apps.
We should get
And they're in alphabetical. Yes, I'm OCD.
Angry Eye.
I wonder what that, why it's not right
Hey,
there.
we need one more set.
Yeah, but that game folder is like 50.
Okay, there we go.
It has a game for advanced emulator. 32.
Okay, so
It's like burnt juice.
That's it.
What does it taste like?
Burnt juice.
I don't know, it smells like cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Yeah, it smells kind of like cinnamon. It's weird.
maybe this will make it so like a Cincy house, you know.
You know, when you burn pickles and bananas together, it makes cinnamon.
Here we
So many
go.
things I learned today.
Turn off the lights first.
See, nobody else is stupid enough to try this. We're like
I'll get
improving
the
and
lights.
advancing.
Exactly. Experimentation.
I would have tried it, but I was
Nah, he's like,
No, sure. You mean no one else is smart enough to try this?
that's. Nah, I don't think you're right.
It's pretty,
I'm here.
pretty smart.
These are probably the most likely to explode
Just
because they're like a
in
liquid
their
center.
fields.
There's no current on the Rhine.
Is it on?
There's more on that. There's 30.
poke it into the thing.
40.
No, don't.
It might possibly have.
Oh, it's doing stuff on the inside.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
It explodes.
Everything just starts boiling on the inside until it releases.
It's starting to make a little noise.
Boiling citrus juice.
We should do the pickle again.
I would have liked to be.
Oh, we'll do a pickle again.
Did you miss the pickle?
Matt,
Paper towels.
You want to finish this banana?
I still say just do one slice.
Stop.
Super Birdhead, awesome. What?
It's like a banana.
I think we should peel it too.
Yeah, peel it.
Maybe you should turn it off before you peel it though.
No, we're gonna put
Hopefully.
it on.
That's a knife right here.
No, death is fun.
Too long for the knife.
I think peeling a lime is kind of hard to do.
That's why I chose the lemon.
How do you? Where's the line?
Potato. Do the apple.
Carrot.
Do you want this carrot?
And potato makes it better. It's gonna be lime juice.
Yeah, that's true. You know, a potato might do something because you know you can make a battery with the potato.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Now it smells like fruit.
This is what you get when you
God,
jam
it's much
yourself.
better. I'm so tempted to just eat this. Can I just eat this now?
Tell me a little about yours.
Totally overpowering all of the previous.
I claim the orange when we're done.
I think we should take the peel at the end, so we don't have to stick it into.
Carrot. It's a camel. Nature's.
I've never done this before.
Nature's camel.
Camel.
Doesn't nature already have a camel?
Yeah.
Hey, Andrew, how do I get rid of save states?
So it's definitely running current through it. Definitely got a voltage.
A carrot? Oh, jeez.
I think this is actually probably more of a conductor than
Did you just peel a lemon?
It smells delicious.
I've never seen a fully peeled lemon. That is the weirdest thing.
Looks like an orange, but yellow.
It It's funny, it looks exactly like a lemon head.
Yeah. I'm debating whether or not I should try it.
Just wait until they're on fire.
Yeah. You can have it today.
It's very fresh smelling.
It doesn't taste as good as it
Oh wow.
A little louder.
I tried.
Oh, I could just smell this up.
It's really good.
I don't think the carrot's gonna do it.
The carrot's
Too much. Doesn't have enough loose electrons.
It's like
unless it like
Oh
cemented
god, it smells
itself.
delicious. It's like pledge.
Can you turn it off?
I smell it now, yeah. I'm gonna take some of that.
I love being a rabbit.
It smells good. It's better. Oh, it did start smelling.
Maybe try it again.
Smell them together.
Did you get that lime filled? It's covered in.
I want some of those lemon rinds just to put
It's like a little ball.
in my pencil bag or something.
Sorry, guys. I know.
Burns the nostrils. Lemon rind. It looks like it was about to
Whoa.
Yeah,
already
I
like-
will try.
Whoa, that's awesome.
Yeah, you did feel it like a bug.
You have your own air freshener.
Very slippery. It's far too pungent. It's like freezing. That's really smart. Smell. Spit on. Super duper sweet.
What?
Super duper joke. Super good. It does smell good.
I want a little bit of that.
It just looks like Ryan doesn't
All right, here we go.
I want a little bit of that lemon rind.
I thought he ate the peels.
Thank you.
Dude, your carrots all burned and stuff.
Leaf green.
It's not washed either.
Doesn't matter. Pesticides.
Pests.
My hands
You got all sorts of pests in there and pesticides and pests.
Of all the things we were burning today, these things seem like
I think the citric acid just makes it a conductor and not a resistor.
Yeah.
So it doesn't do much.
I mean the other way around. It makes it resistant.
No, it should a conductor. The acid.
They'll kill you.
Or maybe,
But it doesn't have nearly.
maybe you're just adding voltage to it, making a battery.
Okay, so this isn't working. We should
So
go
we
get
got
some
120 on the metal, but when we stick it in here, we got.
Yeah.
Third.
Maybe you're charging up the.
I'll eat the whole lemon.
We should trim some problem.
I want a slice. So if you're gonna eat
Okay, so they all have the same.
Smoke it.
They all have the same voltage in the actual fruit. It's all about
What is the
30.
voltage?
So they all have about 30 going through the inside, but on each side of the metal, it's 120.
Stop that.
It was 120 before.
We should start cooking hot dogs so
Oh.
before we.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah,
what?
so I got
They were at
120 here,
120 before, right?
120 here.
The 30.
Clayton, you're a dork.
Alright.
Go ring, turn the lights back on.
This smells so good.
Ah, right.
Orange.
Yeah.
Pickles have like.
I'll split it with you.